Today I'm going to be showing you how to check your vehicle's antifreeze at home for free using 4 things. We have a spoon, an elastic band and a bottle top, which is quite small. This one in particular came off some suntan lotion. The last thing we're going to need to use, and we'll get to that later in the video, is a fridge freezer. Use the spoon handle, the small bottle top and the elastic band to create a miniature ladle. Next we go to the vehicle, remove the antifreeze cap. Take care not to lose it. Then we get his ladle, his homemade ladle. Then we get one lovely cup of antifreeze. I've got my antifreeze here in the small bottle. I'll put it in a bigger tray. Now we're going to place it in the freezer and patiently wait 24 hours. Go to your freezer and check your contents are frozen. Well, it's been 24 hours now, and the next step is to just check our contents are not frozen. I'll tip it out into this tray. As you can see, it's still liquid, so we now know our antifreeze is good to minus 24 degrees, which will be perfect for the weather we have in this country. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.